Now, if we talk about hosting, so we discussed that we are going to use two types of hosting. One is web hosting. You can also call it like as cloud hosting, and the another one is local hosting. Okay, so for web hosting, it will be live, and you have to purchase, you can say, a server. I mean, just like a cloud for your hosting. That means you are purchasing a computer. There will be hard disk, SSD, RAM, something like that to run your website. Okay, and local hosting, your own PC or laptop or system will be used to run your website. In local hosting, your website will not be live. It will be only accessible by you. So if I go to Google and search about web hosting, so there are multiple web hosting provider. You can choose any one of them as your need or whatever you like. Okay, so SiteGround is also good one for the performance, and Hostinger for the cheap, or you can say affordable. If I go to any one of them only for the comparison purpose, so you will look like that. There are some plans, some basic, premium, and business plan. In basic, you will get one website, 30 GB SSD storage. Premium, you will get 100 websites. What does it mean? That means you can only run one website if you purchase something like this plan. Okay, so you can run only one website, and the storage will be 30 GB SSD. In this plan, you will get 100 website. You can run 100 website on your server, and you will get 100 GB SSD storage. And as for also, you can say business. So there you can compare any one of them, whatever you like. Okay, so I would recommend to premium web hosting, or you can say, if anyone from you are buying, there will be always this option where you can run more than one website. So choose this one, it will be better for you. Okay, and if you are learning person, so don't need to buy any web hosting. You have to just go to local hosting. So for local hosting, you will go to Serverpress. Okay, so Serverpress. Okay, you have to just go to this website, and it is free. You can download it on your desktop or PC, and just close it. You can run your website. Okay, so I would choose this option. Okay, there is a plan add to cart at $99.95, something like that, but I would go to free download. Okay, I can use 3 websites. It's enough for learning purpose. So I will click on free download. Don't want to subscribe, and just enter your mail like contact @tiger.com, something like your email. Subscribe and download, and it will start your download. So download is started now, and it's near about 417 MB. So it's downloading. So now our download is completed. So let me open this file. I will go to the file, and I will just extract it like this one. Yeah, it's extracting. Oh, now it's extracted. So I will open this folder. Yeah, there is one file. I just click on this and run as administrator. it will install this on my system. Yeah, I agree for that. Just yes. Now installation will begin. I accept new desktop installation because I'm using first time. Continue. Again, please wait for the installation to finish processing your request. So now our installation is complete. We have installed that. Let me open it. I'm not enabling, you can say, all of this. Here are multiple options you can enable. These are called as plugins. Plugins you can understand just like some extensions. Okay, don't worry. Just like someone has created some functions for your website, you can just enable that. Okay, I'm not using anything else. You can use if you want anything like local SSL database archive. Just I'm going to next. Starting web database service. It will ask me to use CMD. Yes, I'm agree. You can use. It want to access because yeah, allow access. There's no harmful thing on that. Everything has been done, so move to the next. I'm creating a new development website. So let me go there. Site name. I mean, you can create any name for you, just like we have already discussed about. That is a domain name. But keep in mind that it will be just local domain, so only you will be access to the domain. So I can name is like anything example.com. Apart of that, I would like to say it like browser.dev.cc. Okay. Here you can choose your WordPress version. So I will use the latest, and you can also choose where you want to store your site. So for me, it's better to C drive in my folder. I will just create it. It's creating a source folder, virtual hosts, and server name entries. Okay, you will not have to worry about your backend. It will manage. Everything has been done. Now this is the address of my website. So if I click this, now it is the address of my website. So if I click this, it will open the website for me. So it's opening, I think, 2 times. Just close me one. Okay, now what it's saying me to install the WordPress. In which language I would like to install? English is better for me. I will just continue. So here will be some site title. I mean, you can say like here is the site title is WordPress installation. So any site title for my website, I would like to say driver or I will name as learning. Okay. Username, what username I would like to use here? Username, it will be used for access the admin portal. Okay, so I will create a username like Puneet Shivai, and the password I would like to type from yourself, obviously. So password will be something like that. Okay. I would like to confirm user big password. My email, so I will use here my email address, or you can say another email address, something like that. And I will install the WordPress. So WordPress is successfully installed. I have to log in. Username is this and the password is whatever I have written. So let me log in. Username is Puneet Shivai and the password is whatever I have written. And I will just click to log in. Wow. I hope setup is completed. And this is our website, so backend. So let me show you front end, how the user will see my website. Okay. User will see my website like this. Don't worry, it's this menu is only visible for me. If I copy this address and open this in, you can say, incognito window, and I copy the same address, if I click that, so you can see that there is no that menu because that is only for the admin. So it is a one website. You can see that's created. We didn't perform anything and we just created a website. So this is the our website's address. Okay. So go back to here. This is called as our backend. Whenever you want to reach your backend, you have to just put your website address. Okay. And just put like wp-admin. Whenever you will click, you will reach to your backend. Okay. So let me to understand something. Here is written the website address. This is about some plugin updates, whatever updates about your website that will show here. There are some 6 pending updates. We will check it later. There is also, here will be some comments on my post, and here from I can create some post, add new media, new pages, users, something like that. And this is desktop server command line interface. So now what? Let me go to my website. This is my website. You can say that, what is that? This is my website title. Here is written that, and this is some below. So our website is installed now. In next lecture, we will customize it.